I am going to send the fire alarm guy a spamming dating link. Ha 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 ha. I am going to watch the fire alarm guy videos on YouTube.
I am also going to watch the fire alarm guy videos on YouTube.
What the heck? Whose comment is that? Oh, that ScamBot is still gonna be grounded. Ha 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 ha. That is 12 accounts. Who's that? Oh, ScamBot. How dare you get 12 accounts? That's it. I am going to come in my living room right now. ScamBot. How dare you send the fire alarm guy an inappropriate link? That's it. You are so grounded for 768 centuries.
Go to your room right now and don't come out ever.
Wah.